What's going on, Alessandra? Oh no, Crush! And she's with Grandma today, and they're playing with the Lego. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh boy, what about this one, Alessandra? Is this one going to crash too? That one going to crash?
She's been giggling every time we said the word crash. Are you gonna giggle? Yeah, crash! You funny little... Yeah, is the car gonna go crash? Oh, crash! That's Mama's sock. That's Mama's sock. You trying to pull Mama's sock off? And there goes my baby. And there goes my baby. Puzzle, that's right. That's a hard one.
Yeah, that is kind of hard.
But she's done such a good job on all the other ones that we said, okay, let's try the hard one. And then we'll rotate it out. Alessandra, can you sing the 5 little ducks went out? That's right. Yay! 4 little ducks went one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said... What did the mother duck say? Yes, and only 3 little ducks came. That's right. 3 little ducks went out one over the hill and that's right. Can you say domo? Domo. Can you say domo? How about say domo? Can you say gocho shama? Domo.
I told her grandma.
Hi, domo.
Her grandma would be home soon, and I asked her what she called her other grandma.
Yeah. You say hi, domo.
I thought she might tell me.
And did you say gocho shama? Did you bow like this, Alessandra? Alessandra, gocho shama. That's right. Good job. Okay. I love you. Bye-bye.